6 must-know phrasal verbs for fluent English. Hello and welcome to MS English Diary. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This is the perfect place to start. Today we are going to learn something very important for daily English speaking: phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus a preposition or adverb that creates a different meaning. Native English speakers use them every day, so learning them will help you speak more naturally and confidently. Today, you will learn 6 useful phrasal verbs with beginner-friendly examples. Let's begin. 1. Cut down, meaning to reduce something, amount, size, or number. Example: I need to cut down on sugar. 2. Cut off, meaning to stop or interrupt something suddenly. Example: the phone call was cut off because of a bad signal. 3. Check out, meaning look at or examine something. Example: you should check out this new restaurant. 4. Check up on, meaning make sure someone is okay. Example: I called my grandmother to check up on her. 5. Pull off, meaning succeed in doing something difficult. Example: she pulled off an amazing presentation. 6. Pull out, meaning to leave or stop taking part in something. Example: the team pulled out of the competition. Keep learning step by step and practice every day. The more you use phrasal verbs, the more natural your English will sound. Remember, fluency is built through daily practice and confidence. Thank you.